Welcome to the exciting world of lean management. This video is linked with previous videos about lean management. Today, we will talk about lean implementation into organizations. In specific, we will identify and analyze the 7 enablers that assist in smooth lean implementation. Let's start our lean journey then. The 7 enablers for implementing lean. According to the Lean in Defense Bibliography, 2006, there are several factors, called enablers, which if utilized wisely could assist in correctly implementing lean into your organization or business. Lean implementation is not a short-term process. It is a medium to long-term process and requires a holistic approach, buying in by all and at all levels to learn lean, think lean, change, and implement lean. This is until it is embedded into the organizational culture where all employees think and act lean. Hence, the implementation of lean requires full support from the organization. It requires a strategy which promotes and facilitates the 7 lean enablers. These enablers will be presented and explained in this video. They greatly assist in the smooth transition and implementation of lean management in any organization. These are the following. 1. Motivated people. These should be people with authority and empowerment, who are encouraged to get involved, exercising their full potentials, and participating in all aspects of the design, organizing and delivery of lean principles and accrued benefits into the organization. 2. Organizational involvement. The organizational infrastructure should sustain and embed lean objectives in their strategic plan. These should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-related. They then should link and cascade them to the divisional plan, and then link to the employee's assessment and appraisal system. So overall, all employees, top-down and bottom-up, should be fully aware and involved, and work towards effective implementation. 3. Visible senior sponsorship. Organizations need a committed champion to lead the lean team and the full and visible support and commitment of the executive board during the implementation of all the lean principles in all processes across all divisional or departmental levels. 4. Education. Organizations should educate their staff via all communication lines concerning the 5 principles of lean management and all the related innovative methods that could be applied to implement them successfully across all processes and procedures. 5. Strategy. Organizations need to have specific strategies to effectively tackle lean management, but equally address certain soft issues, such as employee behaviors, attitudes, reluctance to change, etc. 6. Excellent communication. Organizations should have appropriate plans that can be implemented and appropriate processes and procedures in place across all departments with two-way, top-down, and bottom-up open communication. 7. Training. Training is a very important aspect in the lifelong learning journey of all organizations and their people. It enables organizations to provide the necessary knowledge and skills to their staff, so in turn they learn, perform better, put theory into practice and deliver the expected outcomes. Hence, training should be delivered, especially in the practical skills required to correctly implement the lean principles and all related innovative methods. Concluding, all above mentioned 7 enablers are the start of a long-term journey, holistically focus on the correct implementation of lean management. Summing up, correct implementation of the enablers will assist in streamlining all organizational processes, eliminating waste, removing bottlenecks, increasing productivity, maximizing profit margins, and valuing the needs of your customers within a happy and safe working environment. So, did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Leave them in the comments section below.